Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to play guessing game. Let's guess what's inside in here. What's that? It is a crab. Wait, let me see. Maybe it's a slime because it's sticky. Oh, indeed, it's a slime. Wow, I love it. So I'm going to take one candy. Yay!
Now it's my turn. I need to. That's what's inside. I have it. It's a marble ball. Yeah, it's a marble. Now I can take candy. Yes.
Hi guys, welcome back. Come back to my channel today. What's in here? Hey. What's in here, huh? Something like sticky. It's slime. See ya.
B.
Is that slime?
I got this. Bye guys.
Bye.
Mika, what's that? It's a candle.
Okay, bye.
Hey. Okay, now it's your.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
You win, so you're just gonna take one candy. So, if you like that channel, please subscribe to Maria Cute Art and Crafts. As you can see, I make it into a flag, so I'm famous. I'm super famous. Please like and subscribe that video if you like, and bye. I'll see you next time.